Rajagiri College of Social Sciences. The founding of Rajagiri Group of Institutions is the result of the educational vision of the great educationalist and social reformer of the 19th century, Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavara. The flagship institution of the group, Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, had its beginnings in 1955 as Department of Social Work at Sacred Heart College, Tewara. Later, in 1980, it was established as an independent institution. Today, the college takes pride in maintaining the highest NAAC accreditation and an enviable NIRF ranking. In line with the Honorable Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat initiative, Rajagiri College of Social Sciences Autonomous has been taking effective and responsible steps towards keeping its campus clean, tidy and hygienic. Inspired by the vision of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, the students of Rajagiri College of Social Sciences take active part in bringing about a transformational change in rural development processes by leveraging their knowledge to help build the architecture of an inclusive India.
In response to COVID-19 pandemic, Rajagiri College of Social Sciences conducted awareness classes to migrants through mic announcements in Hindi and Bengali, social media creative tasks, site visits and house visits during the lockdown period. The trained students of DDU GKY of Rajagiri extended a psychosocial support to the students at distress. Understanding the possibility and importance of this intervention, this program was implemented at the state level by Kudumbashree State Mission through their project implementing agencies. Again, at the national level, the program was acclaimed by National Institute for Rural Development, Panchayati Raj, and communicated to all the states for introducing telephone befriending from DDU GKY Training Division. Rajagiri College, in association with Malayalam Manorama Daily, distributed 92,000 masks through newspaper agents. The mask and provision kits were also distributed as part of Rajagiri College Unnat Bharat Abhiyan implementing projects. 1,000 books and 800 pens were distributed to the Kuttambuzha Panchayat tribal students. Study materials, laptops, tablets were distributed to various beneficiaries during the period. Rajagiri distributed sewing machines to 99 women to overcome their financial crisis. ITC Rural Development Trust, the social arm of ITC, has partnered with Rajagiri to provide essential food supplies and medical aids to 2,000 migrant workers stationed at Ernakulam district, Kerala. The provisions kit worth 1,000 rupees contained rice, atta, dal, cooking oil and most of the provisional items. Along with the provision kit, a COVID prevention kit also was distributed. Lactogen and Cerelac were provided to families with babies. The project utilized a total sum of 20,19,463 rupees. In order to support the healthcare centers, 1,000 personal protection kits were stitched and distributed to the healthcare workers during the period. Rajagiri College has evolved to new normal of teaching learning. Role: Rajagiri Online Learning Environment, a platform indigenously developed by the faculty, provides the facility for perfect blended teaching. The college also developed another web application which supported a term paper discussion and implementation forum. Rajagiri successfully completed its internal examinations of all the batches using Moodle Learning Management System and Safe Examination Browser. Rajagiri is a local chapter for NPTEL and Swayam courses and international online educational platforms like Coursera, TCS Eon to support free courses to its students during the lockdown period. It was a great opportunity to host Professor Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, AICTE Chairman, on the topic Shift to Hybrid Learning Model, the New Normal for Education, in a webinar organized by Rajagiri in association with FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. The technical team of Rajagiri supported the installation, configuration and deployment of online learning management systems and other platforms to nearby schools and colleges to facilitate the online teaching learning process. Rajagiri College of Social Sciences Boys Hostel, consisting of 70 single rooms with attached bathrooms, was converted to COVID-19 care short stay home. More than 500 people were quarantined in Rajagiri Hostel. Later, the hostel was turned into COVID First Line Treatment Center by the district administration. Rajagiri management is supporting the electricity cost worth 1 lakh per month since May 2020, along with the support for water and security. More than 300 people were treated from July till date, and the facility is still continued to be a COVID First Line Treatment Center. Rajagiri has always positioned academics into an active instrument for social change through the implementation of community linkages. In line with the theme of World Mental Health Day 2020, Move for Mental Health, Let's Invest campaign of WHO, Rajagiri announced an innovative event titled E-Marathon. In association with the global partners of Rajagiri, CII, Childline Foundation of India, E-Marathon is designed to boost the mental health through the physical well-being in COVID times. As the world fights coronavirus vigorously, Rajagiri also extends its services and support relentlessly to the society.
Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, creating leaders of tomorrow.